Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about one of my favorite skincare hacks, the nutmeg face mask. Nutmeg is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's rich in antioxidants, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your skin in many ways. To make the nutmeg face mask, all you need is 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of water. Mix the ingredients well until you get a smooth paste. Then, apply the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. While the mask is on, you might feel a tingling sensation. This is normal, and it's a sign that the mask is working. As you can see, the nutmeg face mask is a simple yet effective way to rejuvenate your skin. It's perfect for those who want to achieve a healthy, glowing complexion without spending a lot of money. Nutmeg has many benefits for the skin. It can help reduce acne, soothe inflammation, and even out your skin tone. Honey is also great for the skin. It's a natural humectant, which means it helps your skin retain moisture. It also has antibacterial properties that can help prevent breakouts. Water is essential for healthy skin. It keeps your skin hydrated and helps flush out toxins that can cause breakouts. If you have sensitive skin, it's a good idea to do a patch test before applying the mask to your face. Apply a small amount of the mask to the inside of your wrist and wait for 24 hours to see if you have any allergic reactions. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the nutmeg face mask. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips on how to achieve beautiful, healthy skin.